People are still paying hundreds of dollars a year for software that AI now does for free. These are 7 paid tools you can quietly cancel, and the free AI that replaces each one. And I'll tell you where each free version still falls short, because free always has a limit. Number 5 replaced a tool I used to dread opening. 1. Instead of paying for Photoshop, use Ideogram for images. It even gets text right inside the picture. The catch? A daily limit on the free tier. 2. Instead of an expensive video editor, use CapCut. Full editing and auto captions, free. The catch? More features keep drifting behind a paywall. 3. Instead of hiring a writer, use Claude. Emails, scripts, rewrites. Fast and clear. The catch? It's cautious, so you sometimes rephrase. 4. Instead of paying a voice actor, use ElevenLabs. Text in, a natural human voice out. It's the voice you're hearing now. The catch? The free tier runs out fast. The paid plan is worth it if you publish a lot. 5. The one I dreaded. Instead of fighting with slides, use Gamma. You describe the deck, it builds the whole thing. The catch? The default style looks templated. 2 minutes of restyling fixes it. 6. Instead of endless Googling, use Perplexity. It answers and shows the sources. The catch? Still click the sources to verify. 7. Instead of a music subscription, use Suno. Describe a song and it writes and performs it. The catch? Free songs are limited per day and for personal use. 7 paid tools, 7 free replacements. The catch is included. Every link is in the description. I only show tools after I've actually used them. Follow for the honest version first.